Hello coders, welcome back to Simply Dev. So now let's see what is component tree. So here you can see that on the top there is one component which is app. So this component is also known as root component, and the yellow color components, that is navbar, profile, trending, feed. These are the child components, and that we treat it like is the child component of feed. So हमारा भी वेब ऐप में कुछ इस तरह से ही फोल्डर स्ट्रक्चर रहने वाला है, इन कंपोनेंट से रहने वाले हैं. सो आवर रूट कंपोनेंट विल बी ऐप. उस ऐप के अंदर हम अपने चाइल्ड कंपोनेंट्स को रखेंगे which is navbar, and in our case instead of trending in feed we will be making a component of blocks and creating a block. So this is our first React app. So let's change the UI of this React app. Let's shift to VS Code. So this is our app.js component. So let's remove this. And what I will do is this is the root component. Let's see on browser what is there. Here you can see that I have just edited the root component, that is our app component. So this I have done for just understanding and to just give you an example that how we can change the content. So now let's just create equal to here dot content dot content, and in this I just make sure app or root component. Now what I will do is I will make one component name navbar. So let's make a component, new file, and here you can see that I am writing the first letter of word as capital so that it can be made as a component navbar.js. So and I'll be using RAFC. So this is direct snippet. To do this kind of stuff, you can just install extensions, and I have just installed extensions. So you can just React. You can just type React snippet, simple React snippet. So you can just install this. So it will just give you suggestions or make your life easy. You don't have to write a full code. So here you can see that it has made the boiler template for me. I have to just edit. And also that in other case we have seen that in app.js we have seen that it is function app, it is normal function, but it is arrow function. So you can go with both the things. I will use most of the time as a arrow function. So let's to edit this. this is our, yeah, so this is our basic code for navbar. So now I will add this navbar into our root component, that is app. So import nav. The React will make my life simple because I am using simple React snippets. Ha ha ha. So here you can see that I have just imported the navbar. So to use that component in root, so to use that navbar component in the root component, you have to just type so line number 8 says that I have just imported my navbar here. Now what I will do is I will make another page called home, new file, home. Yes, so RACE. So yes, I'll just import it. I have imported home also here. When home, I'll in future I will just change this home page to make a basic template, a basic UI. I'm just making it. Let's go to website. So, hooray! I've created my basic block. So this is my home component, which I have imported in root component, and this is my neighbor component. That's it. And also one more thing, that if you have to import some component, so let's remove that home component and we will write it again. Import, I will type home from where I have to import. So this is the main step where most of the people get confused. So like inverted comma, what does that dot means? अब इस dot का मतलब क्या है? ये डॉट का मतलब है कि मुझे अभी जिस करंट पोजीशन पे हूँ मुझे वहां से एग्जिट लो. तो मैं करंट पोजीशन में अभी किस में हूँ? ऐप डॉट जेएस में हूँ. तो मुझे ऐप डॉट जेएस से बाहर निकलना है. सिंगल डॉट यूज करूंगा. अब मैं ऐप डॉट जेएस के बाहर निकल चुका हूँ. तो अब उसके सराउंड जो भी फोल्डर्स है that I can access. तो जैसे कि app.css, app.test, home.test. और if अगर मैंने यहाँ पे एक और डॉट लगाया, दैट मीन्स दैट अभी app.js के ऊपर जो उसका ऊपर का फोल्डर है मैं वहां से एग्जिट लूंगा. सो इसका मतलब मैं सोर्स से एग्जिट लूंगा. तो अब मैं सोर्स के आउटसाइड जितने भी फोल्डर है वहां से एक्सेस कर सकता हूँ उनकी फाइल्स. तो फॉर एग्जाम्पल अभी स्लैश पब्लिक में जा सकता हूँ. हियर यू कैन सी दैट पब्लिक में जा सकता हूँ मैं. पब्लिक के अंदर जो फोल्डर्स अगर उसको एक्सेस करना है तो स्लैश manifest dot or like index dot html for example. I'm not doing here because कोई सेंस नहीं है इसको इंपोर्ट करने का. तो हम इंपोर्ट करेंगे, किसको करेंगे? अभी मुझे एग्जिट लेना है इस app.js से. एक डॉट लगा स्लैश, और यहाँ पे तुम्हें सजेशंस मिल जाते हैं. यू गेट कंफ्यूज, रिएक्ट अपने आप तुम्हें सजेशन दे देता है. तो वी हैव टू इंपोर्ट होम. या दैट्स इट.